All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model, this beautiful gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, navigation system, roof racks, alloy wheels, 51,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. It does have a dent here. It's a very little paint off. About 5 inches right there, as you can see it. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread. Is just under 7/32. Double checking it. That's correct. Just under 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread. Just under 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Did have a key. What in the world? 1 second, guys. What the heck? All right, folks, I found the key. So we got 2 key fob combos and owner's manual still wrapped up in this package. Check out pictures for more details. Get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your Navi system. It's a Garmin. I didn't even know that. Wow. Got your AC controls right down below. So you can see that they do work. Boom. All right, navigation system here working. Backup camera. Boom. Heated seats, as you can see, and heated steering as well. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. Your instrument cluster, what that looks like. No lights on, any issues. Your mileage of 51,799. Got some buttons up here. Opens things up. All right, turn on the fog lights. All right. Your rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, the third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Rear trunk lid looks good. I'm sorry, rear cargo. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to do this quicker. Rear. Of course, this is what your rear trunk space looks like. These seats do stow and go. Got a little button here that closes the lift gate. And let's check this bad boy out. And that looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Your rear passenger rim. No curbing. Tire there's just over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. There's an automatic door. Rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. This car does come with the rear heated seats, which is pretty darn dope. This is good. This door. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread just under 7/32. Double checking it. That's right. Fog lights are on. Car is running. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model with 51,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Happy bidding.